All right, all our bolts are out of the timing cover. And of course it doesn't want to behave, so it is stuck the fuck on there. Scotty, you want to try to beat that off?
Okay, you gave a gay guy a beating stick, and you just asked me to beat something off.
Yeah, baby. That's just gasket back there. You ain't gonna get much. But fuck up the gasket. There we go. Go, Scotty, go. God, somebody glued the shit out of that. What the flying fuck? Maybe. Nope. Ooh, nope. Not enough.
Not enough oomphy.
Son of a bitch. Yeah, that's definitely glued the hell on there. Ooh, look at that. Scotty. Engineering around here. Hillbilly engineering department, how can I help you? Yes, we have a timing cover that won't come loose. Good Lord. Oh, there it went. Jesus! Somebody went a little cuckoo with the glue. Mm-hmm. Oh, there's our timing set. Don't forget your... That's thinking what your dipstick, Jimmy. All right, turn that around. Let's see how glued that is. I'm sure it's going to be a disaster.
Oh my God, what the hell did they use?
Oh, look at all the schmutz. Yeah, but look at all the schmutz. The schmutz.
Yeah.
That's remnant goo. I love it when people don't know what the fuck they're doing.
Emblem.
Whoa. Oh, well, that's kind of normal for the oil slinger. But is that... Oh my God, they siliconed the front seal in. Oh, somebody's getting fired. So whoever did this, they need a phone call. I'll call them directly.
If you need to call, don't fuck my shit up. Call 1-800, don't fuck my shit up.
Yeah. Okay, so here's our timing set.
This is going to take
forever to clean.
To get all the... They had to have used epoxy emblem glue.
Yeah, that's why it comes off in the marbles like it did on the pan. Marbling.
Epoxy emblem glue.
There it is. Fun. And then that silicone. Look at that silicone balm on the back side of the... Here, go ahead and take that.
I don't want to get anything on the car.
Yeah. Just go set that over there. We'll deal with that in a bit. Scotty. Scotty.
Yeah.
Let's have a discussion about this timing set, huh?
Do I want to see that timing set?
Well...
Probably don't, but yeah, go ahead.
Both sides I can...
Oh my God, yeah.
I've seen worse, but both sides are like my ex. Ugh, you.
Yeah, that is.
That's no es bueno, boys. We need to have a powwow on this.
We're here. That's the only reason why we're recommending it.
Yeah, if we're in here, we might as well do it. And oh my God.
Yeah, it's going to take forever to get that off.
Oh my God. What is wrong with people? This they at least leave silicone, but still, which I would use here too, but I wouldn't use this.
Not that much.
No, we gently brush it on. Small beads, not 5 gallons. Oh, God. Yeah, we'll deal with that in a bit. All right, so we need to discuss this timing set. Scotty, we want to do that axle. We need to find his socket for his...
As much as I am a big component to let's absolutely film everything we possibly can, and I agree because it solves so many issues. With the way this is going right now,
I think we need to have a conversation.
I'm just going to assume that I mean, we already know something's not right.
In the axle. Yeah, so it's going to have to come apart.
Personal opinion is the diff may need to be rebuilt.
Yeah.
Something is just not right at all. And I don't like trying to spend people's money. I truly don't. I mean, you already know that yourself. It's like, no, if we can fix it, let's fix it, and we'll just do it.
But we need to check it out first.
Yeah. So we'll call the owner. Before we even ask anything, I think it's, do you remember hearing a this or a that?
Yeah,
And
we
then
can go
tell
over
them-
that.
And then show them the video of what we found, and this way they can make up.
I
if they've
sent
got
him, yeah, because I sent him the video of us discussing it underneath already.
Right.
I mean, this is like video 6 for the day. And I sent him all of it, and then I said, after I sent them all in a text, I go, hey, we're going to need a discussion. Let me get to the timing set, and let me check that back there.
I mean, a lot of whoever restored this car before the owners have it now.
Well, it's whoever
There's a
they
lot of it that I
commissioned.
really truly
They did
like.
really nice. There's a lot of pretty stuff.
Oh yeah, and I mean it's proper, and I love the aftermarket air conditioning because when I got in it to move it, the air conditioning was still cold. It was like, oh, that felt so good.
It
And a
was nice.
60-something Mustang having
Yeah.
AC, hell yeah.
That works.
And they did an amazing job. I mean, if you look at
No,
all the
it's
work on it,
beautiful.
It is. I mean, they did some beautiful work to this, but
They shouldn't be assembling engines.
yeah.
That's for damn sure.
And we still got to do a grommet to one of the brake lines so that it doesn't rub through. And
I would
the guys
check
have
this
no
one over here
brakes.
too. Yeah, so we'll
Yeah,
check
'cause I mean,
this.
If that's any indication of
We
their
need to check
level
them.
of safety, no.
Yeah. All right, so we know where we're at here. We need to discuss this timing set. I guess now's the time to try to get that oil filter out of there because you have room.
Yeah.
Let me upload this, and then we'll do one for our bearing back there.